G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson. Today we are going to be discussing how to choose the best drawer slides for your application. To assist me with this, I have a ute tub, I have a Dunn & Watson cargo drawer, which have been fitted with a pair of Dunn & Watson drawer slides. When identifying what drawer slides you need, there are two things you have to consider. Firstly, what is the carcass space you have available? Here in the back of the ute, we have a depth of 1450mm. Drawer slides cannot exceed 1450mm, they simply won't fit. The second thing you need to consider is what extension works best for you. The minimum extension you should aim for is at least 70% or greater. If you have less than 70%, you start to lose the functionality of a drawer in the first place and you start leaning towards perhaps needing a hatch instead. For demonstration purposes, I have one of our Eco Series cargo drawers, and this is going to show you what 70% extension looks like. From this point I can easily access everything here, and with very little effort I can still reach into the back. Also, when deciding what extension drawer slides you need, it's important to consider that drawer slides get weaker as they get longer. So sometimes shorter slides can be a great compromise between the extension you need versus the weight that you have to carry. Another great thing about shorter drawer slides is they also cost less. So there are benefits to getting shorter runners. It's not always just about how far your drawer is going to come out. It all boils down to what you intend to be carrying. If you intend to put lots of little boxes inside your drawer system, you're going to need the entire thing to come out. You don't want to be reaching in the back trying to guess what you're feeling for. Alternatively, if you have larger items like duffel bags or shovels, you may decide, look, I'll get the shorter slides, I'm going to save myself a little bit of money, it's still functional, I don't need to see the whole thing, as long as I can grab the handle, that'll be fine. At Dunn & Watson we have a large selection of drawer slides. We have runners from 250mm to 2000mm and weight categories from 35 kilos to 227 kilos. You can get finishes in zinc plated, galvanized and stainless steel. So if you're in the market for drawer slides or if you're in the market for pre-built cargo drawers, jump on the website, flick us an email or give us a call.